Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set out if Office status in Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. In the top right corner of the Teams interface, you will see your profile picture or initials. Click on it to open the profile menu. In the profile menu, you will see several options. Look for Set Status Message and click on it. A dialog box or text field will appear where you can enter your out of office message. Type in the message you want to display when someone views your status. For example, out of office until and type of any date. If you want to specify the duration for your out of office status, you can do so by clicking on Set Status Duration. This allows you to choose the start and end dates for your out of office status. After entering your message and optionally setting the duration, click on Done or Save to save your out of office status. Once saved, your status will change to out of office along with the messages you have set. This status will be visible to your colleagues and contacts in Teams. When you return to work and no longer need the out-of-office status, you can go back to your profile menu and click on Set Status Message again. Either remove the message or change your status to available or another appropriate status. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.